All right, I'm out here at the horse farm, and this is the back northeast corner of the property, and this looks like it was probably the hardest hit. It's kind of weird how everything's kind of just sporadic throughout the county as far as damage goes. But this back fence line right here is probably going to take me a month to clean up, just so we can get the horses back out here and get this fence line back erected again. See if I can get this over here. Yeah, so, all right, this whole tree came from there. All right, let's go. Man, it looks like a bomb went off out here. There's so much debris on the ground. Man, just to get this back corner is going to take me forever. There's another one down here on the fence. Yeah, it's got it pinned down pretty good. Even a mini could jump that. Oh yeah, here we go. Wow. Good grief, I got all of their tree in this side right here. It's all hung up too. Oh boy. That's another big one over here. Wow, look at the size of that. It's the whole top of the tree. Still some water holding over here. Ground's mushy as can be. And it's a week later since the hurricane. Boy, that whole thing came out of there. Boy, this is gonna take forever. Well, at least I can get this done in probably 2 weeks. Let's go check out some other areas.